Hello everyone, Gemini Just 737 here, coming at you with a new video. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a papercraft bus for your model airport. I just made a 1/400 scale one and it is tiny. I'll show you that it is to scale. Got a 727 and this bus is 1/400 scale, but this is more of a 1/200 scale. Because these ones are really tricky to make and I cannot make them while on camera. So I will be putting this up here for a while, because if you do not have a printer at home, please make a bus this shape, because if it is not exactly like this, then it's going to be really tricky to make and all that. So you're going to need right here for the bottom, right here, and the rest for the sides, because if you do not add this bottom piece, then you're going to have a bottomless bus, which is kind of hard to make, because yeah, sometimes it could just fall on its side or whatever. So let's get right into the tutorial. First step, cut out just all the sides around it and just have the bus, and I'll show you that right after this. And if you do decide to make a very detailed bus, please, I recommend, please, like, cut them out as carefully as possible, because you're going to want that detail and to the paper to line up very easily. Because if you make it all like not so good looking, then it's going to be hard to connect at the end. So I recommend cutting out carefully. So now that we've cut out the bus, next step is to fold the pieces. So you're gonna want to also, if you're not printing these, please use a ruler to make each side even. Just make sure of that, so then when you fold it's easier. So I'll show you what mine is folded, and let's get there. So once you're done folding, you should have a bust that looks like this, and so you're gonna want to like hold them together for a while, and wherever you're using tape or hot glue, whatever it is, just like hold them in place, then glue part by part, and yeah, I'm not sure if this tutorial is very good enough, so I will make a new video if it's not informal enough. So yeah, so since I am using a hot glue gun, I will lay out just a little pinch of glue down here, and I'll show you what that looks like after I do that. So I just laid down a strip of glue, and it should look like this once you're done. And same thing for tape. If you're doing tape, just tape one side and then fold it over, and then there you go. So since I am using hot glue, I'm gonna fill the whole thing with glue, but first I'm gonna glue one side. So I'll show you that after. So I just glued the end of my bus the same way. Just lay down a strip at the end, and if your bus doesn't have a little slip at the end to where you could fold it and then fold it over, then just glue the sides and the inside, and see what you got. Can't really help you right there, but now the next step, we're gonna do the same thing right here. But if you do not want to fill your bus, that's totally fine, but I will fill mine because I do want some weight to it. And yeah, if you don't want to use hot glue to fill it, then you can use other things too, like paper, and yeah, show you what that looks like. So my bus is complete. It is full, so I will, as you could hear, it's very full. So I mean, that's what I like. And yeah. And if you also want like a little laminated / shiny design, then you could just get some tape and like tape it around the sides. I don't know, whatever's best for you. And yeah, that's pretty much the tutorial. And this is a 1/200 scale, so I do apologize. I will try and find some links to put out over time in the description, so look in there if you want to print out some designs. And yeah, peace.